som heter Otto, välkommen till min stuga. Ja, jag minsann du säger det, jag för all del siddu bara. Idag har jag 2 kompisar här. Kom igen grabbar! You guys still mad?
Definitely.
Okay, how about this? You can delve into the collection and choose anything you want. And we will open it up. How about that?
Yeah.
Sure. Let's get it. You have made your choices. Now, Franz, what did you choose?
I chose Pikachu. It really caught my attention the first moment I saw it. So.
Fine choice. Pikachu with an Empoleon coin and unified minds. A Chick-Lane blister. Let us see what we find. Perfect. So we have the Unified Minds booster and cute Pikachu promo. What do you say?
I like it.
It's having a good time.
Promo card. Empoleon coin. Do you like Empoleon? No.
Yes, not this.
Anyway, let's delve into Unified Minds.
Easy.
Code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess the energy, Franz.
Leaf.
Leaf. The eye. Ear ringing bell. Playing squish show. Oranguru. Alolan driver. Carablast. Actually. Only Hone Edge. Pikachu!
Oh, that sounds fun, Pikachu.
Salazzle and... Liepard. Interesting. So that was Franz. Now Max, what did you choose?
I chose the Alolan Raichu box.
The Alolan Raichu box. Now this is almost vintage. Why did you choose this box?
Well, since Franz chose Pikachu, I thought it would be a good continuation.
The Alolan Raichu. Surf's up! And Alolan Raichu's ready to battle! It's a laid back surfing for me, yeah. Let's go. Here we go. What the hell? No, seriously, this is hard. Here we go. Here we go. So we got the Alolan Raichu Jumbo card. You can have this.
Oh, thank you. I feel very to the grave.
As well as the actual Alolan Raichu promo. He looks so happy.
Can I have that?
No! Maybe. Online code card for the box. No idea what it is. And the booster rundown. We got Burning Shadows, also known as BS, Guardians Rising, and Roaring Skies. What do you want to start with?
Well, I say Marsha.
Burning Shadows, BS.
I was saying
No.
together super okay.
Now Burning Shadows BS is famous for the Rainbow Rare Charizard, which no one has ever gotten.
You could be one. You could get it.
If I... that would be quite something, yes. Code! Burning Shadows. Let's see. If we have the brotherly luck. Guess the energy.
field of energy. I say this is also gonna be a psychic.
Psychic energy. You're a psychic, bro. Really peed. What about that?
Silence.
Electric. Magical.
Magical.
Rattata.
Little retard.
Wimpod. Wall art Pikachu. Saw.
A guy. A man.
Dude. Pansage. And... Zygarde.
Final form.
Yeah, it's actually available.
They're all French.
What is this Pokemon?
He's the region master of the Kalos legendaries, so...
Okay. Any specific reason why he's a dragon type and requires darkness and fairy energy to do an attack?
I guess it's because the bird is dark and the deer is fairy. I don't remember the names.
Ah, Xerneas and Yveltal. That is correct. Thank you for this, Rotomdex.
Rotomdex.
That's your name.
I'm gonna strangle you.
Probably a good idea. Guardians Rising. Island Guardians ready for battle.
This is very exciting.
Indeed. Aha! I'm spoiled the code card. Wait a second.
What's on God, sorry?
What's going on? How am I supposed to... 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is this right now? Okay.
Lightning energy.
Lighting and a buckle.
This is a weird pack. Maybe it's an error pack. Maybe we get something cool. Your favorite lamp.
My favorite lamp. My favorite source of light.
Ooh, Phantom.
Yeah.
Mimikyu. Chop.
Machop. Another fetching.
Vulpix. Chansey! And come on. Arceus, Bidoof, Alien. Or Hala.
Okay.
That was actually a good pull. Congratulations.
You can find it.
Now who is Hala? Kahuna! I'll take it. That was a weird pack. Now, for the last booster. Roaring Skies.
The Roaring 20s.
If that rack was
Ride the winds of battle. Now, I've never opened this before. Probably never will.
Again.
we can stop him now.
Yes. Good call. Ah, the code card. It's this way. So there it is. 1, 2, 3 says this is X and Y again. Okay. Guess the energy. If we have one.
Metal.
Dark.
There is no energy, so Discord, Tranquil, Spearow, Sharp. Hey, this is my favorite Sharp artwork. Look,
They're like small wind chimes.
look at the skill. Blah.
Oh, it's OP.
Wall Sport, Swablu, Fletchinder, and I found my keys.
Sure.
Cool! Pikachu, Raichu, Zygarde, and Hala. Pretty good.
Not bad, not bad.
Full upgrade.
It's looking very yellow.
Yeah.
The whole thing.
Good phone. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Hey, dude. I would like to introduce you to my new friend, MYSTICMEW.
What's going on, guys? MYSTICMEW is back here.
We have mail from none other than MYSTICMEW.
Thanks, MYSTICMEW.
I've no clue what he sent us, but let us delve into the Pokeparcel. see.
Oh, a bunch of stuff.
Mail. We have a tin and MYSTICMEW mystery pack. Extra open last. So let us go by his rules. Now this is a mini tin featuring Score Bunny, or as we in Finland like to call him,
Semppikani.
We have one of your favorites,
It's my the all-time favorite Pokemon.
the all-time favorite Pokemon. Let's go through this fast. Saphirlele, Trip, McLaren. Hey, more Peko. I like him. Ninetales, Eevee, Sneasel, Carnivine, Reneri, Simian, Skuntak, Pureblade, Yanmaga, Water Energy, Eevee, Drogunk, Riolu, Turtwig. So it's actually pretty hard to do.
Yeah, it is.
Fast.
Pokemon fan club.
And probably the camera can't keep up anyways. But hey, Shinx. Guru. Kranios. Man.
Old school Onyx. Old school cards.
This is nostalgic.
Remember what Whittle sounded like?
No, I think it says.
Okay.
But it does
Match
the
up. How about match up?
I don't know.
I think it's.
Okay, so this was Evolutions. So apparently he sent me the whole tin. And all that was inside. Right on. Best.
Oh.
And a panorama. Did you know that if you collect all of these, you can make a nice picture? The panorama thing.
How many are there?
Like in the backs of comic books. Not the back, but the.
Like 20.
MYSTICMEW! Oh. There's Sobble Sleeve. We have Pheromosa GX, which is a rainbow rare card. Now, to be completely honest, I've never seen a rainbow card in real life before. So thank you, MYSTICMEW, for this.
It's amazing.
Look at her. She's terrifying. She's terrifying. Chelsea! A Grandpa. A Dark Cry. Prism Star.
Hey, legend.
Oh, look at this. Come on, Mew. My dude!
This one's you in high school. This one is you currently.
That is correct. And this is you. Okay, here we go. MYSTICMEW Mystery Pack Extra Open Lost.
Yeah, this is some high stuff.
Look at this. E-bound.
eBay.
From Ghastly from Fossil. Ah, Squirtle from Team Rocket. Right on!
It's coming for you.
Indeed. Yeah, from Legendary Collections. Yeah. Nope. Look at an Eevee from Legendary Collection and a Pidgeot. Oh, that's sweet. From Legendary Collection, a Pidgeot Hollow. I've never seen this card before. Gonna keep it in the top loader. MYSTICMEW, thank you, sir. I'm honored. My dude, MYSTICMEW, thank you for this.
Bountiful gift.
I mean, he probably had to go far and wide to send me this parcel all the way to Finland. But it's finally here, in my grasp. and I will treasure it forever. Thank you, MYSTICMEW. By the way, behind Formosa is Porygon Z!
Holy shit! Going through dimensions!
Oh yeah! We have finally made peace. Hey, what do you guys think? Who was the first Pokemon?
Well, I'd say, definitely Mew was the common ancestor of all known Pokemon. Everything descended from Mew.
Yeah, that's smart, yeah.
What a silly thing to say. Everything was created by Arceus Almighty. Well anyways, I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. Now like the video, comment down below, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next exciting episode.
Ice cream!
Ice cream.
Ice cream!
How'd you like his voice in Pokemon?
It's a...